A delicious, chewy fruit, dates are produced by the date palm tree. They have long been prized for their sweet flavor and several health advantages, and they are a common element in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine. The top 10 health advantages of dates are covered in detail in this video. Please like and subscribe before watching the video. Nutrient-dense. Nutrients including fiber, potassium, magnesium, copper, and manganese are all abundant in dates. They are a wonderful source of antioxidants and contain vitamins including vitamin B6 and vitamin K. Increases energy. The natural sugars found in dates are a fantastic source of energy-boosting nutrients. Before working out, consuming a few dates can give you the energy you need. Enhances digestive wellness by reducing constipation and encouraging regular bowel movements. Dates' high fiber content can aid in supporting digestive health. They also contain digestive-aiding enzymes. Promotes heart health. Potassium, which is vital for heart health, is abundant in dates. Potassium can lower the risk of heart disease and aid to manage blood pressure. Supports anemia. The development of red blood cells depends on iron, which dates are a good source of. When the body doesn't have enough red blood cells, a disease known as anemia develops. Consuming dates can help to avoid anemia. Limits inflammation. Antioxidants included in dates may assist to lessen bodily inflammation. Many medical diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis, have been related to chronic inflammation. Promotes mental health. Vitamin B6, which is vital for the health of the brain, is found in abundance in dates. Neurotransmitters are produced with the aid of vitamin B6 and are essential for healthy brain function. Supports skin health. Dates' antioxidants can aid in preventing free radical damage to the skin. Vitamin C, which is essential for the growth of collagen and healthy skin, is also present in dates. Aids in weight control. Dates are a nutrient-rich fruit that can help you feel satisfied and full. Dates are a healthy snack that might help you control your appetite and stop overeating. Lower cancer risk. There are substances in dates that have been proven to have anti-cancer effects. Eating dates has been shown in studies to help lower the chance of developing certain cancers, such as colon and breast cancer. In summary, dates are a tasty and healthy fruit with a variety of health advantages. There are several benefits to including dates in your diet, from enhancing digestive health to lowering inflammation and boosting heart health. So the next time you're looking for a nutritious snack, grab a handful of dates and thank you for watching.